Bison Composite Cladding is a timber effect cladding board giving the on-trend appearance of individual battens or slats. To cut Bison Composite Cladding planks, we recommend using a mitre saw or circular saw with a specialist blade for wood plastic composite. These Profi tool blades are the optimum blade type, featuring close-space carbide teeth, vibration stabilizer lines and expansion joints. This ensures the best lifespan of the material with straight, smooth cuts that won't burn or melt. When cutting down the length of planks or trims, the material should be clamped in place with cutting guides or rails to ensure straight cuts. The board should be cut reverse side facing upwards. Check out our other videos for more information on Bison Cladding.